Hi, this is Mike J. Welcome back to the channel. What I want to talk about here today is the Ford Mustangs. Back to the Mustangs. Well, those of you that follow Mustang YouTube definitely know now that Xander 13 has a typewriter tick on his Mustang. He did a video yesterday on it. I watched it. I clearly heard it. Yes, it is the typewriter tick. And gentlemen, that's how it all starts. And the thing is, it gets worse and worse and worse, and then you end up like Mustang Mike 740's Mustang, where you're gonna need a new motor. Well, when I had my 16 at 21,000 miles, when I got the oil change, it came back with those tick symptoms. Within a week, I traded the car. Nevertheless, I was in the market for a new car anyways. It's just that my tick came in unexpected, and I was going to get rid of the vehicle for another car. It's just that I didn't buy another Mustang like I intended to. How could you buy one, considering all these things that are happening? But anyways, with Mustang 3rd Gen Coyotes, where does it end? I don't think it will end, because I think that there's flaws with these motors from the factory, and it's just a matter of time when your car is going to expire. But anyways, I had a comment left for me from a viewer, or it could have been a subscriber / viewer, and he's a Ford tech, and he says that these motors at his dealership are being replaced left and right. And that's why there is a waiting period for, I think, these motors, is because a lot of these cars at various dealerships are just replacing these motors left and right. You know, and now on YouTube surfacing that there are some of these GT350s that are having some issues as well with motors. So anyways, is it safe to buy a Ford product right now? I'd say no. Don't spend your money on it. Will the GT 500 be a good car? Who the hell knows? But I will say this, at even $80,000, when there's so many other cars to buy, why would you want to buy one? Anyways, Mustangs, it's a very, very, very scary subject right now if you're going to spend a lot of money on a car. Anyways, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe, comment. Tap the notification bell for future videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Xander 13, good luck with your Mustang. I hope it gets resolved the right way. Thanks for watching. Take care.